Hi, now I'm talking to Yvonne and Sinead from Fulcara, who I've spoken to, I think, a few times before. So welcome back to Eden Nightclub, girls.
Hello. Thank you.
And what brought you back tonight?
Oh, just the crack. It's good crack over
Alcohol
here.
for me.
And a lot.
Have you been here many nights during the
Oh,
Christmas
yeah.
season?
Yeah,
Yeah.
haven't stopped.
And are you looking forward to listening to Fergal Darcy tonight?
Oh, definitely.
Do you have any relations or family in America that you'd like to say hello to?
Yes.
Yeah.
You do, yeah.
Hello.
Well, if you
I've been
just
there,
go-
so I've seen them, so I'm okay.
Well, you can just go ahead and mention their name and put in a request if you want, because they're all
I'll be-
listening on the
I'll be-
website.
I'll be here all night.
Sarah declared Evelyn over in Los Angeles.
Would you like to say hello to anybody?
Yeah, Evelyn, you're a bitch for leaving me.
You're not going to wish them a happy Christmas
Yeah,
and New
happy
Year.
Christmas and a happy New Year.
Yes.
Hope everything goes well next year.
You need to go and visit them now.
Oh yeah, next year definitely.
Well, sure, let's just go on and enjoy the night.
All right, thank
okay,
you.
now thanks for talking to me.